Guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. This is my 1983 Mercedes 300D, and when I was doing my power steering flush, I never totally forgot about this filter. So, I had it laying around for a while, so it's time to put it back on the car. So let me show you how it's done. Basically, another thing is what I did is I flushed it with a regular power steering fluid that they use nowadays. It used to have ATF, but I put a regular one that I got from the parts store, and it works perfect. There's no problems whatsoever. So anyways, I'm gonna go and install this filter and gasket, and let me. Alright, so yeah, here's your reservoir. You just open it up. You will need a clean screwdriver or something to get that filter out, which is right there. Alright, so I'm gonna use something really clean and take it out. Also, before you take it out, you have to take this off. Alright, it's like a holder and it's a spring in there. Alright, I'm gonna grab something clean. I'll just put it on here right now. Okay. Alright, trying to remove this filter. Alright, I've got a new one and it's going back in. Just drop it like that, and then with a clean screwdriver push it down right there.